Namaste Vyas. Welcome to DM Astrology. Today in the series of 2021, we are going to see a Capricorn sign. How the Capricorn moon will going to get result in this entire 2021. Who will be applicable for this video? To whom this will going to happen? So for that we see that those having a name with a J and KH, Ja and Kha, those having a moon sign as a Capricorn, they will be also affecting this sign, this video. And those having the Capricorn ascendant, they are also going to affect with this video. So this video will be applicable for the Capricorn moon emotional level and Capricorn ascendant on the physical level. So this we have to focus and let us see that what is lies in the Capricorn people this year 2021. Now see, 2021 we all know it's a year of hope and year of prosperity. This Capricorn people rules under the Saturn, and they are lucky that their own Lord is in their own house. It happens in the every 27-28 year where the Saturn come back to its home and stay for 2.5 years. So you all are a lucky person, those who are getting the Rashi Lord, Ascendant Lord inside the house. So this benefit you will be able to take this year. So let us see what about the health prospect. See, for health prospect, the Saturn is a main Ascendant Lord as we have seen, and that will be going to be stay in that same house for entire year and next year. So you will be not facing any problem related to the health. Whatever your health issue is there, whatever your previous issue is there related to health, that you will be finding some relief. So health wise, your own Lord is within your own house, and in the beginning of a year, in January itself, the Sun is also visiting the Capricorn sign, which will make the combust also Saturn and Jupiter, as well as it will be going to give good result related to the immunity and vitality. So during Sankrant, from 14th of January, your Sun will visit this house and blessing you. So this will be the health related issue. There is no problem related to the health. So just relax. Whatever your earlier health issues are there, that also you will be going to find some solution out of it. So there also it will be release you are going to file and going to get the good result related to the health. Then next is a wealth. Related to your finance. See, Jupiter again coming to the 6th of April to 22nd September in your wealth house. So whatever the financial related issues are there, that also will be solved. Whatever your relation based problems are there, that is also going to settle by this time. So Capricorn people will be double benefited. Related to health, they will get a good result. Related to their wealth also, they are going to gain good result as a Jupiter staying in the 6 month in the first house and 6 month in the second house. So you are so blessed that your old money that you wish to get back is a time now to get back. This is a time whereby you will be able to get your own money which has been held somewhere else, or those who are not paying you. So just do the follow up and recollect your own money and get benefit out of it. So related to finance, related to the old relation also, you can revive and get a good benefit out of it. So related to your money related and relation related, just relax. Just go and approach them. Once you go and approach them, they will give you response and you will get your desired result. Moving ahead, we'll find that in your fourth house, that is a house of a wealth, what we call. In house of properties, cars, luxury, you will be having a good blessings as your Mars is touching this house for a quite good time. So you'll be, if you are planning to buy a new property, or you are buying or wish to renovate or just to hedge means doing hedging that selling old property and going for a new property. Yes, this is a year you can do so. So related to property, just try to make it better and get a good result. Property wise, you'll gain. Wealth wise, finance wise, yes, it is a good time. You'll be gaining good from that and getting good result. So that way also it is good wealth wise. Now related to education, if you are into the primary education, yes, this is a good time. You'll be getting a good results in your primary education like 10th class, 12th class or a degree. If you are pursuing, that is a good. But if you are planning for a higher education, this is little bit difficult for you to get good along with it. So if you are planning for the higher education, I will say that you should hold and not going for the higher education. You won't be benefit out of it, and there are a lot of issue may be created and you will be not getting good and through along with it. It will be facing lot of challenges as a Rahu plays here. So you will be getting unwanted problem and that will not resolve your higher education purpose. So just if you are planning, then just wait. Go and take some experience and then come back for the higher education. So that will be, I am praying that at least till the Rahu remains here, you should not go for the higher education. Related to love and affair, if you are into the love and affair, be careful in during this period. You may face some problem. So related to the love affair, you will be not facing a good time and may be facing some hardship or some bad result related to your love and affair. So be careful about it. Related to now we'll go to the disease. In disease house there is nothing going to cause you any harm. So health wise purely you are good. Simultaneously there is no disease. See, health is an own domain, but disease is something that one has to be very careful. So you are not going along with the disease, so you will be not facing any disease. Any past disease which you are already suffering, you will get a relief. So related to disease, there is no issue. Related to children, if you are planning for the children, then this is not a good time. This is not a year where you will get a good result. It may be a more hardship you may face. If female is there, then she may face a problem during the pregnancy. And if you are male, then you are not able to conceive. You will not able to get the child. So it is better not to plan for it, and you and your spouse may suffer. So better not to go for the child and just hold that idea for a while. So not going for the children. Those who already have a child, they may also face some problem as they may create some issue. Your child may create some issue and that you have to be solving that problem. So that is something bad that you will not going to get good result. So better you should try to get some outsider help, some consultant help, so that they will listen to them. They will not listen, your children will not listen you and may create some issue. So it is better to solve that by the outsider. Related to the job, yes, job wise you find some growth. When Jupiter is in the Aquarius sign, you will be getting benefit out of the job, and job wise it is a good and lucky period. You may get a gain or some good position in the job, or you may get something paid to your present job also, which you are seeking, which you are expecting since a long time. So do expect something growth in the job, or if you're getting some opportunity outside new organization, definitely you should approach and you will get it. So that is a promise for the job. For related to the business, if you are doing any business, then this is a time whereby you can search a new clients, new area. This is a good time to search a totally a different area. Approach some people who can able to help you outside, import export, or some service that you can provide outside or overseas, that you may focus and you will be benefited. So related to the business and profession, you may get some new clients, overseas client, some new and unexpected client you may be getting, and that will be good for you. Related to the foreign traveling, if you are planning for foreign traveling, yes, if you are routinely visiting, you will not face any problem. But if you are new visitor, then obviously this is not a good time. You have to be taken very care if you are traveling first time or traveling at first instant to the foreign countries. So for long distance traveling and for traveling related to abroad, overseas, foreign, related to business or related to your education, you have to be little more careful. You may be facing some unexpected problem. So be careful about your traveling and not able to find some good way in the foreign traveling. So that is related to the foreign traveling. Considering the social aspect, social circle, yes, here also there is a dryness. As the Ketu plays in your 11th house, this is not a good time where you can do something for the social. Not to involve in social is a better idea, but if you are no option, if you have to involve in the social activity, then involve without any expectation. You will not get your desired result, that is for sure. So without an expectation, if you are serving, if you are doing something, it is good for you and others. Friends also will dry up, will not support you, and on the right time they will show their back. So better focus on your own work and not to depend on social, not to depend on your friend circle. So that you have to keep a distance. Related to the expenses, this year there will be a lot of control in the expenditure. You may be able to make the budget and you will be able to strictly follow that budget and get some benefit out of it. So no unexpected expenditure it is showing, and no any unwanted expenditure is seen. So no loss, no heavy problem it's seen. So do see your own chart also, but it's not showing any heavy loss, any loss or unexpected expenditure this year. Related to the investment, I will help you that in investment you can do a good investment, smart investment, and your old investment, if it's maturing, then you can utilize that fund into the future investment. Go for a long term and your health related investment. Do mediclaim, do various modes so that you will be helped during your health related issues. So you can invest in the mediclaim, you can invest in the general insurance, car insurance, so that it will be coming better for you in the future time and not incurring much losses or expenditure. Then related to the litigation, if you are into the litigation, you have to be very careful and you have to always observe that your opponent is doing what. You have to be very careful and looking at what he is doing, and accordingly your action should be there. No loss, but awareness is to be there so as to get the peaceful time in ahead. Then we can see the spirituality and the religiousness. In religious and spirituality, it's a good time. You may get some good connection, good mentor, good supporter by which you may also enter into the spirituality and religiousness. Religiously or visiting pilgrims or place of worship is good for you. So you may do that and that will be benefited. And if you are going for the yoga, dhyan, meditation or any spiritual activity, that is also kind of a good place where you can settle and get the good result. Lastly, if you are into the name, fame and recognition, expecting any name, fame and recognition, just hold. This is also a year of efforts. So just put efforts in again in 2021 and you will be getting benefit in next year. So name, fame, recognition, position is there. It is due. But you will not able to realize this year. You will be getting that into the upcoming year. So in upcoming year, you can go and get that result. Now lastly, what are the remedy to be done during this year so as to get the good result? Now you see you are all the certain people, so all service class, you are doing some professional, doing some help, charity for others. So this year, as a Jupiter in your house, so you should visit your temple, you should visit your guru, mentor and donate sweets. By donating sweets and meeting your guru is a good remedy for this year, and you may practice it and do maximum good result to that. So go to temple and distribute the sweets like laddu or any sweets will be do, and you can help them. So doing the charity, social and food item is good for you to serve the people, and you'll get relief out of it. So this is all about the Capricorn moon, you are going to face, you are going to see. So accordingly you can plan and you can execute on it, and focus on the area where it is more workable, and less focus on the work where you are not be awarded and getting good result. So herewith I hope that you like this video. You will share with your friends, colleagues who's with the Capricorn sign or Capricorn ascendant, and they will also get benefit out of it. That is my hard work. So herewith we complete the Capricorn moon sun, that's a transit, and how this year of 2021 is going to happen for them. So I hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe this channel DM Astrology, see various video and get good knowledge. So thank you very much viewers for listening me, and give some suggestion anything in my comment box, or to contact me for the consultation or any kind of astrological discussion. You follow the number here given 9821057944. There you can directly contact me in WhatsApp. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much. Namaste. All God bless.